Hi, and welcome back. In this lecture, we'll be exploring the future trends of industrial revolutions. Well, we talked about the first industrial revolution, the second, the third, the fourth, and we also did a very comprehensive analysis on industrial revolutions to understand the similarities and the differences between each industrial revolution. So now let's look into the future and anticipate what are the future trends and patterns that we are going to see as far as industrial revolutions are concerned? Well, starting off with Industry 5.0, the human centric revolution. So, when you talk about the next industrial revolution or Industry 5.0, it represents a complete shift beyond the fourth industrial revolution, focusing on the integration of advanced technologies with human ingenuity and creativity in the workplace. So, if you look at Industry 4.0, it emphasized on automation, digitalization, and efficiency through technologies like artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, robotics. But Industry 5.0 aims to bring a more human centric approach to these innovations. So, what are the key aspects of Industry 5.0? First, we have the collaboration between humans and machines. Industry 5.0 prioritizes the collaboration between man and machine, or man and smart systems. So, this involves humans working alongside with robots and artificial intelligence, leveraging these tools to enhance creativity, decision making, and craftsmanship. Then, personalization and customization. So, with a focus on meeting specific consumer needs, Industry 5.0 emphasizes the production of highly customized and personalized products made possible by the flexibility offered through advanced technologies in harmony with human insight. Then there's also sustainability and environmental concerns. Industry 5.0 places a strong emphasis on sustainable production processes and also the responsible use of resources. It aims to leverage technology to minimize environmental impact and also to ensure that industrial practices are in harmony with ecological sustainability. Then there's also enhanced work experience and safety. So by harnessing technology to take over dangerous or repetitive tasks, Industry 5.0 seeks to improve the workplace safety and enhance the overall work experience for humans, making their roles more creative and less physically taxing. Then, resilience and adaptability. The integration of human intuition with technological efficiency aims to create a more resilient and adaptable industries capable of responding quickly to changes and challenges, including those posed by global issues like pandemics or climate change. Then we are also going to see AI advancements and general intelligence. So, continued advancements in artificial intelligence may lead to the development of more sophisticated and general purpose AI systems. This could significantly impact industries like healthcare and everyday life, unlocking new possibilities for problem solving and decision making. So, as technologies like artificial intelligence continue to evolve and develop and grow, self driving cars, which were considered science fiction, will now be a reality. Then, blockchain integration and health tech revolution. So, blockchain technology is renowned for its security and transparency, and it's increasingly becoming a cornerstone of the health tech revolution, promising to redefine how healthcare data is shared, stored, and secured. So, what will be the impact of blockchain technology on healthcare? So, criteria such as patient data management. So, blockchain will enable much more secure and efficient management of electronic medical records, or what we call EMRs, granting patients control over their data and who can access it. Then there'll also be supply chain transparency. For example, in the pharmaceuticals, blockchain can track the production, distribution, and authentication of drugs, significantly reducing the prevalence of counterfeit medications and ensuring patient safety. Clinical trials and research. So, by offering a secure platform for storing and sharing clinical data, blockchain technology fosters a new level of transparency and integrity in medical research. Also, interoperability and data exchange. So, blockchain facilitates seamless and secure exchange of health information among different institutions and systems. Then there'll also be personalized and precision medicine. So the secure aggregation and analysis of vast amounts of health data can advance personalized medication, tailoring healthcare interventions to individual genetic profiles, lifestyles, and risk factors. Then there'll also be decentralized healthcare ecosystems. The future may see a shift towards decentralized healthcare platforms where patients have information with trusted providers no matter the location. Regulatory and ethical challenges will also be prevalent because the adoption of blockchain technology in healthcare must navigate complex regulatory landscapes, ethical considerations, particularly around data privacy, consent, and security. There'll also be a greater collaboration between the tech and healthcare entities. The successful implementation of blockchain in healthcare will require a deeper collaboration between technologists, healthcare professionals, policymakers, and patients to ensure that innovations meet clinical needs and respect patient rights. Then, talking about decentralized technologies, blockchain, and beyond. So, decentralized technologies, particularly blockchain, may play a more prominent role in reshaping industries beyond financial applications. Blockchain could also revolutionize supply chain management, how we vote, and also various sectors by providing transparent, secure, and efficient decentralized solutions, problem solving, and decision making. Then we're also going to see a trend of more sustainable and green technologies. So, future industrial revolutions are likely to prioritize sustainability and green technologies, innovations in renewable energy, circular economies, or what we call zero waste economy, where even waste is not just dumped into a landfill but is used as a raw material for production. And also, different eco friendly manufacturing processes may become central in addressing the environmental challenges and promoting a more sustainable future. Then we are also going to see the impact of quantum computing. So, what is quantum computing? So, if you look at normal computers, they are either on or off, or what we call 0 or 1. So, these are called bits. So, when you look at quantum computing, they are called qubits. So, it can either be on or off, or both at the same time, allowing quantum computers to create new medicines, cracking code by doing so many calculations at once. So, the development of practical quantum computing may revolutionize data processing and problem solving capabilities. This could have a profound implication for cryptography, which is basically the practice and study of techniques for secure communication in the presence of third parties, which are called adversaries. So, it involves creating written or generated codes that allow information to be kept secret. So cryptography is basically converting data into a format that is unreadable for an unauthorized user, allowing it to be transmitted without unauthorized entities decoding it back into readable format. Quantum computing can also help in problem solving, simulations, impacting industries ranging from finance to material science. Then there's also great expansion of space exploration and industries. With ongoing advancement in space exploration, future industrial revolutions may extend beyond the Earth. The potential for mining asteroids, space based manufacturing, and extraterrestrial resource utilization could shape a new frontier for industrial activities. Then there's also neurotechnology and brain machine interfaces, or what we call BMI, or it's also known as brain computer interface, or BCI. So, advancements in neurotechnology, including brain machine interfaces, could lead to significant breakthroughs in human to machine interaction. This could revolutionize areas such as prosthetics, communication devices, and even the potential augmentation of human cognitive abilities. So imagine you plug a cable to your brain and connect it to a computer where you can download from your brain and also upload or send data from the computer to your brain. Then there's also cyber physical human systems integration. So future industrial revolutions may emphasize even deeper integration between the cyber, the physical, and human systems. So this could lead to the development of more sophisticated cyber-physical systems, or CPS, that seamlessly blend the capabilities of technology with human intervention and creativity. And finally, global collaboration and governance. So, addressing the challenges posed by future industrial revolutions may require increased global collaboration. The development of international standards, ethical frameworks, and governance structures will become crucial to ensure responsible and equitable technological advancements. Well, now that we have learnt about the future trends of industrial revolution, let's go to our workbook and look at question 6 on page 15. How might the envisioned transition to Industry 5.0, emphasizing a more human centric approach, reshape traditional notions of job roles, and the relationship between humans and advanced technologies in the coming decades? So, now let's spend a few minutes to answer this question, and I'll see you on the next lecture.